Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Fabrica, the channel where we talk a lot about making money online as a creative person, as an artist. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about how to make a multiple sales a day, and then like how to make 10 sales or more than 10 sales a day on Creative Fabrica. This is one of the most requested videos, so I'm covering over here some of my best tips to help you make more money on Creative Fabrica as being a designer. Without further ado, let's get straight with that. Before we go part, consider clicking the like button, guys. I really appreciate that. If you want more such video in the future, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever I'm gonna upload new videos, you're gonna get notified about it. Also, I have a lot of free resources to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below. You can very well grab out the Creative Fabrica workbook planner that is entirely based on my experience and knowledge so far. That really helped me in making thousands of dollars on Creative Fabrica and having 2 shops and maintaining in a good shape. Ideal client avatar, uploading the products, uploading the graphics, the fonts, the embroidery, tags, title, description, promotion, making more money. Everything is there. Make sure you grab it out. It's a PDF download, kind of like a planner, which you can fill it out along with the instructions that are given in the top. Hopefully it will going to help you. If you're looking forward to one, the link is in the description box below. You can very well grab it out. Without further ado, let's talk about how to make multiple sales a day. Now I get that making money on a Creative Fabrica is not that easy as it may sound, because you need to get a portfolio, get an approval, and even after you get an approval, you need to make the sale. Since there are so many people who are selling currently on the Creative Fabrica, of course it's still a new platform, but there is still a 4 million plus graphics currently selling on the Creative Fabrica. Being said, though, obviously the competition is huge, and you as being a new seller, you need to get the sales. How you gonna get that ball rolling for you? Now I started with the Creative Fabrica was back around in the June or May of 2020. So at that time, this situation is quite different. And currently it's almost like 2 years. The situation has been changed a lot. At that time, it was like around 2 million graphics, or I think 1 million graphics. I don't really remember that. And right now it's like 4 million plus graphics. It's a pretty big deal to get the sales currently on Creative Fabrica. But still, I'm gonna share some of my best tips that help me to get the more sales. The first tip that I have for you, very well, is to always find a niche that is not that competitive. I have made few of the videos finding the right kind of niche and product ideas on the Creative Fabrica. I'm going to leave the entire playlist in the card section above. Make sure you check it out, because the entire playlist contains a video content that will really going to help you maximize your sales on Creative Fabrica. So you need to find a niche that is not that competitive. If you're simply selling for Christmas, the Valentine, the Mother's Day, Father's Day, these niches just simply for the sake of the one keyword is quite competitive. You need to sub-niche down, and the best way to sub-niche down is take a look at the Creative Fabrica homepage, because on the homepage itself, you're gonna see the top trending products, the top trending graphics, fonts, crafts, embroidery designs, whatever you're selling, the top trending in that, and then you can take an idea that these are the top selling products. So if you are kind of like making similar to them, or you can sub-niche down to that particular stuff, you are more likely to make more sales. Another thing, you can take a look at the search analytics section of your designer dashboard, where you're getting the keywords for what people are looking for, like for last 30 days, last for 7 days, and you can take a look at that and you can get an idea that these are the keywords the people are looking for. These are the niches the people are currently looking for and buying them. So probably if you are targeting one, then you are more likely to make the sales. This is the one of the first tip I would highly recommend, finding the right kind of niche. Going with simply your graphics or print-on-demand graphic is quite competitive. Even KDP interior has been growing a huge, so it's also quite competitive if you're just uploading a simple KDP interior without actually sub-niching down. The second tip that I have for you guys, I always try to, I think I have mentioned this particular tip in many videos, but I really feel like it's very important, so I'm mentioning it over here. Please upload few freebies in your shop. Yes, freebies are a gateway to get the more favorites, get the more followers, get the more new eyeballs, because it's quite obvious people are more attracted to the freebies rather than the paid product. I don't need to explain that, right? So people will definitely going to go over to the free gifts first rather than looking at the paid products. And if you are frequently uploading your product as a freebie, then you are more likely to get the eyeballs. I have often so many times get the new followers, new favorites. In fact, the money as well, making more money while uploading my product as a freebie. I do it frequently, and I'm not telling you to just upload once a month and just have once a freebie a month and sit back and relax. Thousands of dollars will going to roll into your bank account. No, work that way. There are so many shops who are uploading on a daily basis. They have thousands, if not more than that, of products in their graphics in their shop and that they are selling. So you need to do on a consistent basis. Please do it often or frequently to upload your product as a freebie, because also in the freebie section the competition is growing, because so many shop owners actually utilizing this strategy to get them more followers, to get them more favorites. So you do need to do on a consistent basis, and the recent graphics or recent freebies will going to be there on the first page, and then the few days earlier graphics will going to be there. So you have to be there on the first page of the free graphics or freebie section. Now, how are you going to do that? You just need to upload it frequently on a consistent basis depending on your schedule and your routine. The tip that I have for you is maximize on your efforts. What I really mean by that, example, if they want one Christmas tree as a graphic, give them more. Give them the varieties of the Christmas tree, maybe in the different colors, maybe in the different shapes, different patterns. This is just an example. So take a look at that, what's popular, what's trending, and what people are selling in that, what different designers are selling in that, and try to give the people more in exchange of the money. This is really important. And here the bundles come into the effect. I'm not telling you to have 300 graphics bundles or something like that, having that big bundles. No, even if you're just uploading a one graphic, I would tell you to at least have 2 to 3 graphics in that one listing that you're uploading on a Creative Fabrica. Give people more so that they can come more to your shop, because there are so many thousands of designers selling on the Creative Fabrica. You need to stand out. The best way is to give them more high quality products, so that they will come more to you and will going to purchase more from you. With that being said, another tip I have for you, try to upload your graphics, your fonts in various different formats. If you're uploading a graphic, have at least 3 to 4 different formats. If you're uploading an embroidery, have 4 to 5 different embroidery files. If you're uploading a graphic, have a different kinds of the graphic files, like the PNG, SVG, PDF, PSD, AI files, different kinds of the formats of the files, so people are more likely to purchase from you. I've seen even for the KDP interiors, people are giving so many different format option to their customer. That's why they are getting the more reviews, more favorites, and thereby making more money and more followers. So give them the more formats than they really expect from you. And if you can give them in a various different sizes, then that's amazing. Like if you are selling, suppose for example, an art printable, if you're giving them 8.5 into 11, try to give them into a 6 into 9 or A4 size or US letter size or A5 size. I mean, giving them the different options, different variations of one product is likely to get the more eyeballs, because people do go with the stuff where they are getting more, where they are getting the feeling of maximization, where they're getting the feeling that they are getting more than the paid value for which they are paying for their graphic, and they're gonna go there more. You need to use the psychology of your customer, psychology of your ideal client avatar to get the sales. It's not like I'm just gonna upload 10 products and I'm gonna be making $100 the next day. It doesn't work that way, guys. You need to do the work. You need to give them people more that they are expecting. Then only they'll more likely to come to your shop, and your shop will going to stand from the competition and thereby making them more sales. What I have for you, try mixing the different niches together. I did most of the times, bridging the gap between them. If you see the Christmas niche is popular, try to mix it with glitter niche, watercolor niche, acrylic niche, or some other niches. Try to mix the different niches together. Like people do mix the genomes with the Valentine, so Valentine genome version, Christmas genome version. If you see one niche is popular and another niche is also popular, mix them, bridge the gap between them. Not many people are doing that. A simple Christmas tree is everyone uploading it. What's unique about your graphic? What you're giving them, okay? Look at your shop. Look at your shop as an ideal client and take a look at that, whether you have something different that people will likely come to you rather than going to your competitors. What you're providing them, what are you giving them the value? If you are giving them more value than the cash value, they're likely more going to come to you rather than your competitors. The tip that I have for you, please subscribe to the Creative Fabrica newsletter, because in their newsletter has been improved a lot back from 2020 to 2022. They have improved a lot in their email newsletter, and in their email newsletter they're literally giving you the cheat codes to make them more sales. How? Because they're telling you, hey, this product is trending, hey, this product more people are looking for, hey, this is a new product that has been uploaded on Creative Fabrica, hey, this is the day that is coming soon, the Memorial Day is coming soon, Christmas in July coming soon, the Independence Day is coming soon. They are giving you the latest updates, the latest deals and tricks and tips and tricks related to their platform, and you, as being a seller, as being a designer, can take an advantage of that. You would be able to know, hey, Independence Day is coming, so I need to upload that. Christmas in July is coming, because right now it's a June, so Christmas in July is about to come, so I need to go for that. Hey, this deal is popular, this bundle is popular, someone uploaded this amazing new designs and that's popular, so that means you can very well do the same and get the sales. So please subscribe to their email newsletter and try to read their newsletter, because insights about what's working on the platform, what people are purchasing from their platform, and that you can use as a designer to upload more similar products like that to make more money. The tip that I have for you: promote your shop, promote it on the Pinterest. And one thing you need to make sure over here, Creative Fabrica has an affiliate program. So without just actually pinning your shop products into the Pinterest, you could literally share your affiliate link for your own shop and thereby making more money that they're selling. I hope it makes sense. For example, if you're making a 50% from your shop, okay, the single sales I'm talking about, I'm not talking about the downloads and the subscription, that's a different story. If you are looking at the single sales and you're making a 50%, and if you're sharing the affiliate link of your shop and someone is clicking on that affiliate link and purchasing that product from your shop, then you are likely going to make 50 plus 25% from the affiliate income. So that would be 75% from every product that you're selling. So promote, but promote with your affiliate link so that you can make more commission, thereby making more money. These are the small tips, guys, small strategies that works wonders. You don't need to change all of a sudden for your shop the logo, the banner, the product or something like that. No, you just need to do this little small tweak. The tip that I have for you is follow other designers. I mean, if you don't want to follow them, then probably take a look at what other popular designers are selling on the platform. When you're going to hop onto the first homepage of the Creative Fabrica, you're going to see a top deals, top graphics, fonts, embroidery file, crafts. Click on that link, go to the designer and take a look at their shop. What's are popular? What are the products that are getting the more favorites, more reviews? That means that they are making the more money by that particular product, and that is the niche, or that is a product idea you have for your own shop. So follow the designer, don't copy over here, don't steal anyone's graphic. Oh, she's actually selling a honeybee design, so I'm gonna be making exactly the same size and shape of honeybee design to make the money. No, you don't need to do that. If you see that the honeybee is selling in yellow color, then probably you can make a baby elephant in yellow color. Why not? I mean, just be more creative with that and get an inspiration, get an idea what's selling on the platform from other designer, from the Creative Fabrica newsletter, wherever you can get the resources, wherever you can get the information, what's trending, what people are selling and what customers are purchasing. Then you just need to be creative in that stuff and just make your ball rolling by creating something beautiful and different in that. Tip I have for you is showcase of your shop. Yes, especially I'm talking about the products. I'm not talking about the logo and banner images. I know that fancy stuff, I mean, most of the people do that, so I don't need to talk much about that. But I'm talking about the product mock-up images. Yes, if you are uploading a graphic, a print-on-demand design, try to have a mock-up that actually describes your design. If you're having a text-based design, maybe place it on some t-shirts, some wall art print, or some pillow covers, or some sticker. Try to have a good thumbnail images, a product preview images of your product, because the customer will first going to take a look at that particular square or rectangle shaped product preview images, and then they're gonna read the text and description, and then they're going to know, okay, this is the thing, I am interested in that, so probably I'm gonna go for that. But first of all, they're gonna take a look at your thumbnail product preview images, which is the juicy flesh of your sales. Because if something is more fantasizing, something is good to the eyes, people are more likely to go in that favor or in that direction. I hope it makes sense, because if you see something really fancy, beautiful, pretty, some cool designs, you are more likely to go towards that instead of the boring, random, anything like that. Okay, it's quite seem obvious. You have to do that. You can also use the Placeit. Placeit is a great way where you can get the mock-up images or mock-up preview images for your graphics. You can just place your graphics on the different mockups and then can take a download of it and actually customize it according to the size of the Creative Fabrica product preview image and just upload it. Try to do more of the stuff where where customers see that your stuff is something different from the market. I've seen that a lot many crafts are just like a one product review image explaining the craft, and above that you're gonna see a graphics, formats, and below that you're gonna see different size, and that's it. Have at least 3 or more product preview images. Actually upload more product preview images. You would be aware of that product preview images or thumbnail images from the Etsy, because on the Etsy the people are uploading more product preview images and a beautiful mock-up images that will going to help them stand out from the competition. The same thing you have to do on the Creative Fabrica. Product preview images that can help you stand out from your competition. And have at least 3 or more. Like for me, I made more sales when I started uploading 3 or more product preview images for every single graphic that I'm uploading on Creative Fabrica. Earlier, I used to just have 1, but from few months, I started having 3 or more, and I tried to make my mock-up images good, pretty beautiful, so that people get attracted to that. And giving them something incentives in terms of freebies or more format files or more different sizes, it's more likely to get the more sales. Hopefully these tips will going to help you. These are some of the best tips. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. I would really love to hear from you. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Till then, take care.